There's no way. That goes in.
No! That's a vlog. That's a vlog. That's a...
This is my first vlog in a long time. You can tell because I have little facial hair since the last time I picked up the camera, but it's a snow day. Yeah, this is like the first snow day since 2016, or that's been really bad. And it's to the point where there's like, they declared like, all the schools closed, work is closed, which is something I have to talk about in a future vlog. Yeah, there's a lot going on. Also, my voice is kind of dead right now because we just had like a party here yesterday. Obviously, this is not my apartment. But yeah, that's kind of what the situation is right now. I think Kate is making food for me because she's just that good of a girlfriend. Right. Gonna go eat because I'm kind of hungover because I did drink. We're doing a puzzle now. It has 1,000 pieces. And this is what it looks like. Every time I use this camera, I feel like, that when Jake Sully was doing his vlogs in Avatar.
Yeah.
Well, I guess I better go.
That's what I feel like.
You're not Jake Sully. So, he just farted.
No.
That's not cool. But he's trying to organize, or me mostly, trying to organize each of the puzzle pieces to see where to go. So this is our curtains. Those are the lights. This is the sign. Yeah. Ben's big talking me right now because I've never solved a puzzle before.
And I have. You know what puzzle I did? I did the Where's Waldo puzzle.
Wait, actually?
No. That was a lie. I don't know how long it's been, but here's my progress. This is what I have so far. I have the exchange part of the song. And Kate has found a lot of why isn't it zooming in? A lot of different sections over here. Pretty good so far though. Kate made sandwich. That's the progress I have. That's Joyce's progress, which is nothing.
No, I have a bunch
She's
of different
done nothing.
pieces.
That's
Wait.
nothing. Joyce is totally going crazy right now with the puzzle.
I'm not going crazy, not yet. Okay. Okay, it's currently, what is it, like 4 or 5 p.m.?
Don't show me on the
camera. Okay. But we're still working on this dumbass puzzle. People solo this shit for fun. How are we having such a hard time with
All
it?
because 1,000 pieces, and all the pieces are shipped This is the current progress. We discovered that the edge pieces along these edges, there's something wrong with it. They're not even, like on both sides. And we've been at it, why is it so dark? We've been at it for, it's 5:32 right now. We started around like 12. It's been non-stop. I might have to take a break for a little bit. It's bad. We're close though. We're so close, I feel it. This is all of Joyce's homework that she gave up doing just to finish the puzzle.
Wait, there's a whole other book.
There's a whole other book.
This is my lab.
And she hasn't touched it because she was focusing too much on her puzzle over there. Wow, the dedication from Joyce.
Yeah, man, I can help you. I'm done.
You just give up. I just got that. You just having your entire
I gave her
monologue.
one piece, I call it a day. Fuck my. Okay, sorry. Do you curse in your vlogs?
I do.
Okay.
Update after like another hour. We got this entire bottom half almost done. I made this entire line. Kate is working on her middle section right here. And now we're taking a break to eat dinner and then continue after that because holy shit. This is taking a long long time. But I feel like we'll finish tonight. I believe. Just added Kate's section into the puzzle. So now the bottom section's almost all done. Top section still needs work, but
We're getting there, guys.
Huge progress.
Oh my god.
We have gone this far right now. Top is still making progress. I'm working on this gray area that has no pattern. Very important.
Poor job.
Ugly. It currently is
Okay, now this is the hard part
9:23.
because it's just all blue.
We can add it for so many hours now. Still going though.
And then this goes right here. And then this goes right here. Yay! Finished the bottom!
That's the whole bottom section now that Joyce and Kate just got done with. And now, we can move on to the really fun gray blank section. Yippee! I don't remember the last time I checked in, but I took a shower since then. And here's the progress we made.
Now a good time to chat? No.
We're still struggling with this entire bottom section. It's been really tough because of all these grays and like red beams for the windows.
And you
But
happened upon a beautiful
we
suit,
are
a beautiful
unbelievably
Canadian
close.
suit.
We will finish tonight. It's already like 12 o'clock right now, 11:30.
You tried on, but it's not
We're gonna try to finish
exactly
tonight.
fit for you.
It's gonna be a long night.
You put it back,
But
then I
we don't have
tried
school
on.
tomorrow. I don't have work tomorrow.
I don't really wanna
We should be able to
the same
finish.
suit that you had your eye on, but at the same time, I really.
Do you think we'll finish, Kate?
Oh, seriously? You're filming me while I'm drying my hair?
Yeah. You look pretty right now.
I think we will finish it. You should show them the outside.
Also, hold on. Fart cam. Here's the outside. Oh, I'm scared. I can feel the breeze already. And that's not my
Oh, I felt it!
Look, no, look. Oh my god. Just like a foot of snow. You can't even step out there. Don't, no, it hurts. No, oh, no. Actually don't. I just took a shower, but here's the outside. All filled with snow. There's like at least 3 feet of snow. Gotta be.
Run, bitch.
No. Ah! She nailed me in the neck. There's snow everywhere now. We're at the finish line. They finished the 2 panels. I've been working the middle section right here with all the non-colored ones. And now, this is the finishing touch. It's about to be finished. We're so close.
Oh my god, the wall. Okay.
Like 4 pieces away right now.
Wait. Oh my
Wait.
god. Oh my god.
Wait, move here.
Okay.
This is how much we have left.
Wait, I think we're missing a piece.
Yeah, there's a piece missing.
Oh my god.
There's a piece missing.
There's a piece missing! Wait, what do you
Guys, there's a piece missing.
There's no. Wait. That goes there. There's
No,
a piece
there's a
missing!
piece missing. There's actually legitimately a piece. Okay, who's actually joking? Who's joking right now?
Okay, wait.
There's literally a
Guys,
piece left.
what the fuck?
No way.
It's changed. It can't be on me.
What? No. What? No, this is fucked up.
Wait. Oh, where's the bag?
It's not in the bag.
There's not a-
Guys, this is actually.
It's not on the carpet, right?
No, not the
Wait,
edge.
is this a joke? Wait, give me the box. What if it's like purposely missing?
No, they don't do that.
Everyone check your pockets.
I just checked right now. Guys,
Is there one under the heater?
no, I checked there. Guys.
Is there one under the heater?
No, I checked there. No, I checked there.
Yay! Fucking. I found it.
You found it?
You found it? Where?
Wait, don't do it. Don't do it, don't
On
do
the
it.
thing? Yo!
Okay,
Okay.
do
Ready?
it. Do it.
Wait, can I do it with you?
Yeah! Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Dude, it is currently 1:49. We started at 1. This took us 12 hours and 46 minutes.
My god.
Wait, we're Mod Podging this shit right now. Right now.
Holy shit.
Guys, this took us 12 hours.
That was 12 hours. That was actually insane.
No, almost 13. Almost 13.
That was the entire half of the day. Wow. It's beautiful though.
It's so beautiful.
Look how pretty it is though.
Dude.
Holy shit. We are now permanently sealing it in
We're doing this right? Yeah.
Mosh Podge, Hodgepodge. So it permanently just stays together
Make sure you
forever.
get the edge
Because there's
of it
no
too.
way we would ever
Hold it.
remake this ever again. That was a 12-hour experience basically.
12 plus hours.
It was insane with 3 people.
Because it will like... Or there's was like 3 pieces under the fucking rug
There-
for some fucking reason.
Dude, that took exactly 2 years and 12 hours to do. Because Kate and I got that on our first date. So this puzzle took 12 hours and 2 years to do. Even though it was 1,000 pieces. So many pieces went flying underneath the carpet, on the carpet, underneath our feet. It took so long. I'm so tired. It's like 1 a.m. now. And also it's Joyce's birthday. This is the first thing she did
I turned 21, guys.
as a 21-year-old.
I didn't take
She
a shot
built
or anything.
a puzzle.
I just did a puzzle. I didn't even realize it's my birthday until I looked at the day. I was like, wait, it's the 26th?
Basically,
Whoa.
Joyce did like, which part did you do?
I did the rim.
The whole rim,
I
basically.
did the bottom of her body and I did all of this. I helped Kate with this blue part.
And then Kate did this entire like,
Yeah, like
Right
this
section
whole
right here.
middle part. And she basically did all the doors. I did the 2 lights. Ben did...
I did the book
The book
exchange.
exchange.
I did this little kind of like gray right here.
Yeah.
These walls are here.
Ben did all the really difficult parts where you can't base it off of anything.
And then Kate and Joyce kind of shared this area right here too.
Yeah. Also, you and me
That was
did
it.
kind of like the
Oh, we did, yeah, we
lighting
did
of
this one, yeah. It was a team effort though.
It was a team effort.
Now Kate is just nonchalantly on scrolling on her phone now, even though she carried the whole project. Right, Kate? That's funny. It's day 2 of the snowstorm. It's still snowing a bunch, like a lot, to the point where you can't even like walk outside. It's so deep. Like, here, watch. That's literally a car right there. It's completely covered in snow. It's just buried completely. It's so deep. You can't really tell on camera, but the snow's just completely piled up. And it's never been like that much snow in Boston. Like, this is the first time it's been this bad. It's like a complete blizzard right now. Even Taco Bell's closed. That's how you know it's bad. And McDonald's. Until tomorrow, because today's Monday. So today's like the first official snow day. Because school is canceled, work is canceled, everything's canceled because it's so snowy. Anyways, we finished the puzzle yesterday. I don't know what we're doing today.
What are you doing? Why do you look so guilty?
She's been torturing me all morning. Now I'm scared to be around her. She took away all the blankets.
No, I didn't.
She left me to freeze, and then she beat me up in the morning.
No.
She kicked me, punched me, did all these horrible things to me. To a defenseless poor boy with no shelter for the winter storm. None.
No shelter. You're here in my warm apartment.
With no blanket, getting beat up. It's like a bird locked in a golden cage that wants to be free.
Oh my god.
Can you say you're sorry?
Do you want breakfast or not?
You look really pretty.
This is Ben's dick.
Where? Wow, the
You
first
see
thing
the
George
two
says
balls
to
and then the
21-year-old
little.
is make a dick. Wow. You're just talking about how you feel old, huh?
Now
let's
we
go to
are
the back.
gonna go.
Huh?
Oh yeah, go that way. You're right. Now we're gonna go outside and build a snowman.
Shit, God.
Is it slippery?
Yo!
Oh, it's so deep. You guys are covering the path for me. God, that's a block. That's a block. That's a cube. That's a cube. That's a cube. That's an ice block.
Throw it, throw it, throw it, throw it, throw it.
Do it.
Ready?
Yeah. Ah! Where's that fire alarm coming from? Why would that go off the alarm? Oh, my ears are freezing. No more, no more. My head's freezing. Stop, stop. My ears are freezing. No more, no more.
So you think it's funny?
It's not funny. It's not funny. Ah.
You wanna? Ready?
Okay, wanna jump in that pile right there. Go for it. Is it hard?
It's hard. We want to recreate.
I'm just covered in snow now because of Kate.
Similar.
What do you have to say for yourself?
The real question is, what do you have to say for yourself?
What did we do today?
I got tricked by Kate.
In the snow?
No. She said she was gonna peck me.
Can you stop ruining?
We played in the snow, and Kate also tried to push me in the snow a bunch of times. Like the good girlfriend she is.
It says you got way more wet than you.
And then she put a lot of snow on my face. And then she also gave me this.
Girl,
Just
that did
kidding.
not happen.
This appeared randomly. I don't know when it happened, but it's a random bruise that I got randomly. Can't think that randomly dislocated my wrist, but it doesn't hurt at all. But that's all we really did. We got delivery, and I made sure to tip the delivery guy, not $1, but $4 today.
Keratin face mask.
Wait. Oh! Shit.
He does that a lot. I'm so desensitized. Just put on your lashes. That's it for tonight.
Yep, that's about it.